Welcome to Story Today. Our story begins in the late 1940s, a tumultuous period marked by the birth of the State of Israel. Amidst the throes of independence, the fledgling nation found itself under attack from all sides. In response, the Israel Defense Forces, or IDF, was officially established on May 26, 1948, merging the existing Haganah, Irgun, and Lehi paramilitary organizations. Throughout the 50s and 60s, the IDF grew in strength and capability. They faced their first significant test during the Suez Crisis in 1956, where they successfully repelled an invasion by Egypt, showcasing their strategic prowess and resilience. Fast forward to the Six-Day War in 1967, and we witness a pivotal moment in IDF's history. Despite being outnumbered, the IDF launched preemptive strikes against neighboring Arab nations, emerging victorious and altering the landscape of the Middle East. The 70s were marked by the Yom Kippur War, a surprise attack on Yom Kippur, the holiest day in Judaism. The IDF, caught off guard, rallied and pushed back the invaders, displaying remarkable tenacity and valor. The IDF continued to evolve through the 80s and 90s, tackling numerous challenges, including the First and Second Intifadas. They adapted and innovated, incorporating cutting-edge technology and intelligence systems into their operations. In the new millennium, the IDF faced new threats and challenges, including ongoing conflicts with Palestinian militant groups and tensions with neighboring countries. Despite these obstacles, they remained steadfast, committed to protecting their nation and its people. To summarize, the Israel Defense Forces' journey is a testament to resilience, innovation, and an unyielding spirit. From their inception in the midst of national turmoil to their current status as a world-renowned military force, the IDF has consistently demonstrated their strategic acumen, technological prowess, and indomitable spirit. This story serves as a reminder of the IDF's unwavering commitment to their nation's defense, their adaptability in the face of evolving challenges, and their continuous journey towards excellence. It is a story of courage, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of peace and security. Thank you for watching Story Today. Do like, share, and subscribe.